Are you or someone you know being sexually harassed at school, either by a student, a teacher, an administrator? You have every right to a peaceful and successful education process. My name is Adrienne Hahn of the Hahn Legal Group. We are education law lawyers, and I would like to discuss 3 points to keep in mind if you or someone you know is being sexually harassed at school. First, let's look at what sexual harassment is in a school setting. It is harassment based on sex or gender that can be against someone for their sexual identity or sexual expression. It can happen from preschool all the way to universities. And there are a lot of rules, both federal and state, that prohibit this kind of conduct and force the school to act. Sexual harassment can lead to a lot of very negative consequences, from depression, anxiety, poor school grades, refusal to attend school, and all the way to self-harm and suicide. It's very important to make sure that if you are the victim or you see someone else being a victim, that everyone understand they have rights and take action. Second, how do you know if you're being sexually harassed at school? Sexual harassment can be in many forms, including physical, verbal, via social media. The ways of sexual harassment are intended to humiliate you, to make you embarrassed. And what's most important is that you understand anybody who's doing anything that bothers you or is causing concern should be looked at. For example, if someone's stalking you, if someone's texting you repeatedly and using sexual content in their texts, if someone is referring to you as a sexual object to other people or making stories up about you or saying bad things about you in a sexual context, this is all sexual harassment that needs to be stopped. It's very important to also consider sexual harassment does include sexual violence. Someone's attacking you or forcing you to do something that you don't want to do. Last but not least, what can you do to protect yourself at school? There are California and federal laws that protect you against sexual harassment. First thing you need to do is you need to start writing things down. Where it happened, when it happened, who said what. If there's social media, download it, take pictures of it. If there's any other documents out there that you can show, take pictures of them, record them, and bring all that information to your school. Have your friends or family, a clergy member, somebody help you if you want help, even the school counselor. The school has to have procedures published so that you know what they are as to how you can report sexual harassment and the procedures they'll follow to investigate it. It's key that you also talk to a lawyer to understand what laws you're protected by, either California laws or federal laws, and what kind of claims you can make against government entities, what kinds of claims you can make against private schools, and what kind of complaints you can file both against your harasser and the school. I hope this video helped you in understanding what sexual harassment looks like at school, and if you're a victim, that you have rights that are going to be protected if you step forward and make it known that you are being harassed. It's very important that you consult a lawyer to consider all your options, both under California law, federal law, and claims against the school, the harasser, and anyone else who is complicit in what's happening to you. Again, my name is Adrienne Hahn with the Hahn Legal Group. We are here to help you fight the harassers and make sure that the school does what it's supposed to do to protect you. I hope you call us. Thank you.